I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop the rest of our lives. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. And we'll dream impossible. You fix the tap before it floods. You listen first, that's how I know it's love. That's how I know. You are my soft place after the world is loud, where I don't perform, where I can sit down. You are my soft place, no questions asked. Just tea, just truth, just us, just that.
They say the soft answer breaks a hard day.
When I go quiet, you don't compete. You wait with me
It's fine. So for the first one, you're going to be starting with the Brut. The Brut is a blend of 3 grapes. We have Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and the Pinotage. The main dominating cultivar here is the Chardonnay. So that's why you have a beautiful golden color. They also took 10% of the Chardonnay and sent it to the malolactic fermentation, giving the wine a biscuity and a dry profile. So you will get the biscuity dry notes followed by hints of tropical fruits and citrus. But on the palate, the wine is not extremely dry. So it gives you a nice biscuity dry start and leaves you with a slight sweet finishing at the back of the palate.
Okay.
So why do we have this with
With that one is mostly for light meals, especially your salads, because now it has a little bit of a high acidity. So the acidity will go very well with the seasoning of that salad and also what the vinegar that they use there. So it will balance everything else. Otherwise, this is the perfect wine in summer.
Yes, sparklish.
So it was matured for 24 months, which is where the bubbles come from. So there are 2 different wines. There's a sparkling wine and then there's an MCC.
Which one is this one?
That one is the MCC. A sparkling wine is injected with carbon dioxide in a stainless steel tank and then bottled. And then this one is fermented in the bottle in order to get the bottles. So it's fermented and spent 24 months in the oak, which is why it gets those bubbles. So that's similar to a champagne. That's how a champagne is made. But in South Africa, we're not allowed to call it a champagne. Only champagne must come from Champagne in France.
I didn't know.
Yes, so those are strictly made in Champagne. There's no other country that produces a champagne except for Champagne in France. Same as Biltong. South Africa is the only country that produces Biltong.
Oh.
Yeah. And then the second wine will be the Chenin Blanc. Yes, the Chenin Blanc is lightly wooded. 20% is matured on the oak. 80% is on a stainless steel tank, but not for a long time, just for 4 months. Meaning here, you will not smell the oak and you will not taste the oak. Mostly you're tasting hints of tropical fruits, hints of citrus, those papaya flavors as well. But on the palate, this wine will give you a crispy, refreshing acidity, but leaves you with a slight sweetness at the back of your palate because it didn't spend time on the oak, so it gets more softer and easy drinking. So that's why you get that slight sweet finishing at the back of the palate. So with this one, you're going for your white meats like your chicken, your duck, or you can just go with your pasta dishes as well. Yes.
You need fruit onion.
Because you can also cook a nice chicken with this Chenin Blanc. Yes. Then the third one is the red, which is Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon. So this is a light blend where you get 55% of Cabernet Sauvignon, 45% of Merlot. It's matured on a 3rd fill barrel for 12 months. So with this wine, you don't get too much of dryness or too much of the tannin, but it's mostly fruity. Here you get the blackberries, cranberries, and hints of strawberry flavors. Also on the palate, the tannin is not shockingly dry. So you just get a dry start, but get smoother on the palate and then leaves you with also a fruity finishing at the back of the palate. So I always say, you never judge a wine by the first sip, because the first sip will be dry and harsh, but the second sip, that's where you get the flavors, the fruitiness, and also the finishing of the wine. Thank you. Any questions? That one is strictly for mostly like meats. You go for your steak, you go for your grilled chicken, your roasted lamb. So it's mostly for like heavy dishes.
But I'm like chapel.
So up on the farm we have 2 restaurants. We have Histu, which is mostly a formal restaurant. Here you get the steaks, pastas, burgers, and then we have Suzanne. Suzanne is mostly pizzas, small plates. It specializes in cocktails as well.
I don't need fireworks, I need you on time. Kettle on the stove, doors locked before midnight. You say less, but you stay. That's a loud kind of love. stay, just stay. Don't explain it. Still you choose me, still I choose you. In the noise, in the hunger, still it's you. Still you call my name, like you mean it, like you're not leaving soon. Still, they say love that rushes trips, so we walk. You hold my silence like it's holy. You don't rush my healing, you don't know me. You know my past, you don't rehearse it. You water the ground.
My guys, look at the views. Labori, these are our views. So beautiful. Oh, Sanalam. Oh, it's just that Kengogo. It's just that the weather today, it's so gloomy, it's raining. But oh, the views. The views, my guys.
Very nice.
Oh, Society Dragonstein, pal.
Hi guys.
Guys, Nancy Chomia.
Hi guys. Welcome to the new vloggy or to another video of this vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Mwah!
Nisvele ke guys, nisvele. Oh, nisvele. Niaiva. Let's get in. Let's get in. Come treat the vlog.
Hi guys, my name is Umahle. Please, pretty please, like and subscribe to each channel Kapila and also share with your friends.
Mwah! Thank you. Bye.
Kanisa Bamba isandla sami sihambe kanzima Ayingenkolo ngenhliziyo ezolileyo Ilizwi lakho liyandiza njengomthandazo ebusuku Sondela ungoyi ndilapha Khanyisa mna ngothando lwakho ndibone mna ngokhanya kwakho ndikhethe ungandibuzi inhliziyo sele ivumile bathi uthando lokenene alungami ndandifuna uthando oluza kundifumana ayolo ndilulandela kodwa olo lundibonayo wena wafika okuthula wahlala wandazi kumoya wami othe waphumla Kanisa mama kothando lolwa ndibone mna okukhanya kwakho ikhethe ungandibuzi inhliziyo sele ivumile Inkwenkwezi yayenza inkolo kodwa yakhanya uthando lunyulu aluzithethi luyazibonakalisa into efikayo ihlala kayifike ngekesha Kanisa ngothando lwakho enhliziyweni yakho ngiyakudinga hayi ngenxa yentswela kodwa ngenxa yokwa kuwe khanyisa
Mama masepotchini magaba osepotchini kwampembeni andibazi
Aso alukhulela bekrayibondela. Amazibande lokhulela bekrayibondela.
Siyastotyela apite de feste picnic.
ndithi uyamthatha umntakwethu unyawo uzamzalana ozalana mamela ngosipolisethisayo
the place where the river runs wild, to the place, a place with fruit or life. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day. River runs wild. Take me to the place where the grass is green, oh yeah. To the place where the bees never sting. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day, where the grass is green, oh yeah.
Hey there!
Hey there! This is not nice, guys. Giving the hype.
Yes!
Wow! We are crawling.
Yes!
We are crawling.
Yo, natural man new cake.
Tunana. CP.
Good morning, ladies.
Morning!
We are fine.
We are not fine!
You still need to cry.
We are not fine! Yo. Sasa. Iyafuneka i-content apha chom. Yeah.
Do you need my hand?
Uphila. Kakhulu ubhaka phila. Yo.
Yes, very good.
Ngizakwazi. Ithini? Nazathi clips ngoku ntango. Tingbani. Mna. Yo, akazi yanyuka le into. Apenolunga. Niyaguqa.
Yenzani uduring kaloku la video ke ukaduring. Izani? So thethe kaloku.
Hi, this is Don Don. Siyenza phi kaloku?
Oh, tata.
Flash jikiti.
Sabantu.
Wadlula sho. Basaqala ile. Ngoku uyabenza kuyo ngodwa ngayo besipakethe. Suphosisa. Okay. Ndisebenzile damn.
No, they rush. I no need big talk. I need consistency. Plenty people promise, but they no get memory. You show up steady even when it hard. Effort way honest, they reach out. Now patience, now power, patience. No, they rush, love make it breathe. If it pure, it go stay. No, they rush, love hold on well. Walk be fast, feet fail. Them say anything will last. No, they hurry. You know loud, but you deep. When I quiet, you know leave. You know force joy, you allow and grow. You know shake root, you let them hold. Now patience, now power. No, they rush. No, they rush. Who they my corner? Now you. Who they my matter? Now we love we shout, they hide fear. Love we come, they sincere. Fast road, get plenty bottle. Steady step, reach on. No, they rush, love make it stay. If it really no go fade. No, they rush, love day by day. What they wait, the sweet pass.
Oh, bandase. Asame. Oh. Hey guys, this is us during the hike. Don't forget to subscribe.
Angela, I love you.
Oh, you know what you got shame. Where's Angela? Yo.
At the sight of you, when's in Lizzie, oh yummy. ngiyajabula uma ngibona wena, ngiyajabula uma ngibona wena, nengqondo iyaphola yabona yaphola. Ufika nini kanti uyoyithola seyimimo kwangempela, inhliziyo ibulawa inkumbulo, ngihlelelana ngibalela wena ingoma, ngihlelelana ngibalela wena ingoma. Ay mama iyakhala, sithandwa sami vela.
Sit down, baby. Oh, hello, my loves. Guys, I'm back from the hiking. Oh, I can't hope what is happening now. What is okay? Guys, I was saying I'm back from the hiking. Oh, what a fun I had. I can't even explain. Kumnandi and Funungacho. I enjoyed myself. At first, let me not make it sound as if it was easy. At first, at first I had regrets, but but Shema don't after 30 minutes I was on the game. After 30 minutes I don't want to lie, it was fun after fun. It was difficult, but it was painful, but now the time is almost 4 o'clock, or the time is 3:30 in the afternoon. We are going to, is it Durbanville or Pinehurst on that side, Kodwa. I'm going out with my babies. We are going for a play date. Nakane, sit down, baby. Siyodlala. Kuyotyiwa imali yami, ayikho enye into. Sisayodlala ke bethunana. Oh. But okay, I'm sure by 5 to 6 sabe sesibuya. For now, let's go have fun. Akho mntu uzawudipha apha nakhane, yeva? Akho mntu uzodipha apha sana. There's the police. Sit down, baby. There's the police. Sit down. So usafuna ubona police qala before I sit down. No, sana ansela. Sumane phike mntanam. Please. Oh, Nkosi yami. Bake pha ngo-1 sahamba siba sihamba ngo-3 ngoko. Ndinadinwa sana. And I had a few things to do before we go, like laundry, cooking, bathing, yonke loo nto. Okay ke bandla semasiyambeni amalodlala nathi. Mirror, mirror. Mirror, mirror. Mirror, mirror. Oh, guys. Sise bathroom ngoku bendigqiba ukutshintsha unyanam. Qha ndimtshintshe mengenyawo. Can you believe ndimtshintshe mengenyawo? Ngendlela ndimlibasa ngayo. Ndimtshintshe mengenyawo, guys. Uphindile, umkile. So mama uqoma makathathe. Mira, mira. Today it's Sunday. Yo, akunethi eKapa kwenza umhlola. Siphuma imvula isitsho sana singonowa. Siphuma imvula isitsho. Ay, siphuma imvula isitsho. Noa. Ay, kena noa. Danqalene. So guys, I'm from church. Akubandi, ayidyudyuzi. I couldn't vlog this morning and I couldn't vlog this morning, but government updated guys. And this is the outfit of the day. Naya's lip dress. It's from Jet. Alright guys, so this is what I was wearing in church. The dress is from Jet. I'm not sure if you can see, but the dress is from Jet. The fur coat is from Engogini, and this cap or hat is from Mini Q, ne? Yeah. Earrings from Mr. Price. Then I'm wearing the boots from Shoe City. Yeah. Let's cook for my babies. I'm not gonna cook a lot. It's gonna be rice, beef stew, sweet corn, cabbage, and beetroot. So yeah.
Another night, yes, I'm so yonder, just with you, my babe. Yes, I'm so yonder. Ooh, if you know by now when I'm cloud, spend another night. Oops, so go potwa, just with you, my babe, darling, say sendleleni ngifuna ukuba nawe darling sendleleni ngifuna ukuba nawe
Alright guys, sezibila imbiza zam. Apha I have beef, beetroot, sweet corn. Ooh, dacha. Okay. So yeah. Salindile. So long, man ben ngqo cabbage.
I don't need promises, I need patterns. I heard I will from people who scatter. You fix the tap before it floods. You listen first, that's how I know it's love. That's how I know. You are my soft place after the world is loud, where I don't perform, where I can sit down. You are my soft place, no questions asked, just tea, just truth, just us, just that.
They say the soft answer breaks a hard day.
You don't rush joy, you let it land. You don't fix me, you hold my hand. When I go quiet, you don't compete. You wait with me until my heart can speak. You wait. My soft place, my soft place. Where do you rest in you? Where do you hide in us? Love that shouts is often scared. Love that's calm has already prayed. A man who listens feeds the house. A woman at peace builds it. You are my soft place when faith is thin. When I'm tired of being strong, you let me be human. Soft place, soft place. No one war, just a chair. And you. I don't need promises, I need patterns. I heard I will from people who scatter. You fix the tap before it floods. You listen first, that's how I know it's love. That's how I know. You are my soft place after the world is loud, where I don't perform, where I can sit down. You are my soft place, no questions asked, just tea, just truth, just us, just that.
They say the soft answer breaks a hard day.
my heart can speak. You wait. My soft place, my soft place. Where do you rest in you? Where do you hide in us? Love that shouts is often scared. Love that's calm has already prayed. A man who listens feeds the house. A woman at peace builds it. You are my soft place when faith is thin. When I'm tired of being strong, you let me be human. Soft place, soft place. No one a war, just a chair. And you.
No, they rush. I no need big talk. I need consistency. Plenty people promise, but they no get memory. You show up steady, even when it hard. Effort way honest, they reach out. Now patience, now power, patience. No, they rush, love make it breathe. If it pure, it go steady. No, they rush, love hold on well. Walk be fast, feet fail. Them say anything will last. No, they hurry. You know loud, but you deep. When I quiet, you know leave. You know force joy, you allow and grow. You know shake root, you let them hold. Now patience, now power. No, they rush. No, they rush. Who they my corner? Now you. Who they my matter? Now we. Love we shout, they hide fear. Love we come, they sincere. Fast road, get plenty bottle. Steady step, reach on. No, they rush, love make you stay. If you really no go fade. No, they rush, love day by day. What they wait, the sweet pass. No, they rush. Yeah. No, they rush. I no need big talk. I need consistency. Plenty people promise, but they no get memory. You show up steady, even when it hard. Effort way honest, they reach out. Now patience, now power, patience. No, they rush, love make it breathe. If it pure, it go steady. No, they rush, love hold on well. Walk be fast, feet fail. Them say anything will last. No, they hurry. You know loud, but you deep. When I quiet, you know leave. You know force joy, you allow and grow. You know shake root, you let them hold. Now patience, now power. No, they rush. No, they rush. Ooh. corner. Now you, who they my matter. Now we love we shout, they hide fear. Love we come, they sincere. Fast road, get plenty bottle. Steady step, reach on. No they rush, love make it stay. If it really no go fade. No they rush, love day by day. What they wait, the sweet pass. No they rush. Hey.
We are done cooking. So we have brown rice, sweet corn, beetroot, we have cabbage, carrot, beef. I also tried to bake it, guys. Yo panza zacha sana zangama lahle. But it's how can apha ngaphezulu so noko akufani sizawutyeka. Oh kodwa akakho nto. Yeah, sizawutya ngonentsela zam and call it a day. Yes, Mandase, that's it. I'm done cooking and baking. So let's call it a day, man. And also, I want to close this vlog up since it's Sunday. We are starting a new week. So let me also close this vlog and say thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please double check if you have subscribed. Double check if you have liked this video. Please don't forget to share it. Please don't forget to share. Thank you so much, Kebandase. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye. Mwah.